Yes, once again, good morning students. Now I'm going to explain to make you understand and recapture what you studied about the procedures. Here the question is, write a procedure to display student ID, total marks and grade. Your procedure must get the grade using the function findGrade, which I have explained in the previous video. So you are writing a procedure to display the student ID, total marks scored and the grade calculated. So the procedure is a stored procedure, so you must start with the heading. Heading is create or replace procedure, procedure name, parameter list within the parenthesis, then is. This is the heading of the stored procedure. Heading of the named block in PL-sql. We are going to get the details of one student, so you are passing the parameter student ID. In the previous example, I used the type declaration for the parameter PID. Here I am just using a number. Here also we need two variables, one for total, one for grade, so declare the two variables, then begin. The first statement is for to get the total marks, because we are asked to display the total marks also. Then the next line is very important here. See the line, observe it carefully. vGrade equals find grade of PID. Here you are passing the parameter from the procedure to the function, the ID of the student. So this function will be called in this line. This is the function call statement. So the control will be transferred to the function grade, and there it does all the calculation. The final value, the grade, will be returned value stored in vGrade variable. Then you print the student ID, total marks and grade. Here also I included two exceptions. So after writing this procedure, compile it. There is no error. You can see it's completed. After completion of the procedure, you can test it using sample data. Yes, then by next video we'll learn how to specify and declare and define a package.